everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into a creative and profitable topic that can change the way you look at metalwork and design. Today's focus is all about creating metal frame modern house gate ideas to make money fast. If you've ever dreamed of using your skills, creativity, and tools to build something beautiful and profitable, this is your perfect opportunity. Stay tuned till the end because I'll share practical ideas, creative inspiration, and simple ways to start earning from your craftsmanship. Metal frame gates are more than just functional barriers. They're a statement of style, security, and sophistication. Every homeowner wants a gate that adds value to their home while showing off a modern look. And that's where you come in. By crafting gates that blend both beauty and durability, you can turn a simple idea into a high-demand business opportunity. Modern architecture is evolving, and so are gate designs. Gone are the days of plain, heavy gates with outdated patterns. Today's homeowners want something sleek, modern, and eye-catching, something that complements their home's exterior. By learning how to design and create these modern metal frame gates, you position yourself in a growing market with endless possibilities. The best part about working with metal frames is their flexibility. Metal is strong, versatile, and easy to shape when you know the right techniques. You can create anything from minimalistic designs to bold artistic patterns that instantly grab attention. Whether you prefer square tube frames, laser cut patterns, or mixed materials, each gate can become a masterpiece that attracts buyers. If you're looking to make money fast, modern house gates are one of the best projects to start with. They don't require massive investments, just some welding tools, creativity, and the motivation to turn your ideas into reality. Many skilled creators and small workshops have started by making just one or two designs and soon built full-time businesses selling custom metal gates. One reason these projects are so profitable is that demand never stops. Every new home, renovation, or property upgrade needs a gate. People constantly look for fresh, stylish designs that give their homes a premium touch. By offering unique and customizable metal frame gates, you can easily attract both residential and commercial clients. Design is everything in this field. Modern metal gates often feature clean lines, geometric symmetry, and elegant finishes. A matte black gate with gold accents, a brushed silver finish with wooden inserts, or a bold frame with laser-cut details. These are all designs that sell fast because they fit perfectly with today's modern homes. Don't underestimate the power of creativity. Even simple changes in frame shape, color, or texture can turn an ordinary design into something extraordinary. Experiment with different patterns, mix metals with wood or glass, and keep refining your ideas until they look fresh and professional. Each new design can bring you new customers and faster profits. Quality and finishing matter just as much as design. Make sure your welds are smooth, your lines are even, and your paint or coating is perfect. A well-finished gate not only looks beautiful, but also gives clients confidence that your work is durable and worth every penny. Remember, small details often create big impressions. You don't need to start big. Even with a small workshop or garage space, you can begin making gates for your community. Word of mouth spreads fast when people see good work. Delivering your first few projects with quality and professionalism will quickly lead to referrals and repeat customers. Marketing your creations is the next step to making money faster. Use social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to share your gate building journey. Post short videos showing how you cut, weld, and assemble your gates. People love watching creators in action, and that attention can turn into real business opportunities. Creating a short video portfolio is also a great way to showcase your designs to potential buyers. Include close-up shots of the finishing, show how smoothly the gate opens, and highlight its modern design. Visual presentation can make your work look premium and help you charge more for your creations. If you're interested in scaling your business, think about offering personalized options. Many homeowners want gates that reflect their personality or style, such as initials, patterns, or symbols in the design. Personalization adds emotional value and allows you to charge higher prices for custom-made pieces. Another way to stand out is to combine metal with other modern materials. Adding wooden planks for warmth, frosted glass for elegance, or decorative steel mesh for texture can take your design to the next level. These mixed material gates are trending and sell faster because they offer a luxury look at affordable prices. Pricing your work correctly is also key to fast profit. Always calculate the cost of materials, labor, and finishing, but also factor in your creativity and craftsmanship. Don't undersell your skills. Customers are willing to pay more for quality and originality. Present your product as a design solution, not just a metal gate. Think about creating a small catalog or portfolio of your designs. This allows clients to browse your work and choose what fits their home best. Having a variety of options ready makes you look more professional and increases your chances of getting consistent orders. Staying updated with design trends can also keep you ahead of the competition. Study modern architecture, follow popular home design pages, and observe what materials and colors are currently in demand. When you offer something that matches these styles, customers will instantly be drawn to your work. Building relationships with builders, real estate agents, and home developers can open up even more business opportunities. Many professionals are constantly in need of reliable and creative metal fabricators. Once they trust your work, they can bring you multiple projects and steady income. That it's also smart to manage your time efficiently. Build your gates in stages. Frame first, design next, and finishing last. This structured process keeps your work organized and allows you to produce more pieces in less time without sacrificing quality. Photography and presentation are extremely important when it comes to selling your work online. Take your photos in good lighting from different angles and next to modern houses if possible. Clean, sharp photos can make your gate look high-end and increase the chance of a sale. But if you're passionate about welding and metalwork, this is more than a job. It's a creative career. Each gate you design and build represents your vision, dedication, and artistry. The joy of creating something functional and beautiful while earning money from it is incredibly rewarding. The journey might start small, but with persistence, every project adds to your experience, portfolio, and reputation. As you grow, you can hire help, upgrade your equipment, and take on bigger and more complex designs that bring even more profit. Never stop learning. Attend workshops, watch tutorials, and keep exploring new methods of metal fabrication. The more you improve your skills, the more advanced and creative your gates will become. And that's exactly what helps your business grow. Every successful gate builder started with a single idea. The belief that creativity can be turned into income. And that's what you can do too. With determination, attention to detail, and smart marketing, your metal frame gate designs can easily become your fastest path to financial success. Your creativity is your most powerful tool. Treat every piece of metal like a blank canvas waiting for your imagination. The more unique and thoughtful your designs are, the faster you'll attract customers who value original craftsmanship. If you've been waiting for the right time to start, the time is now. Pick up your tools, sketch your design, and begin your journey into building modern metal frame gates that not only enhance homes, but also build your income and your future. Thank you so much for watching and joining us in this creative journey. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in these modern house gate ideas, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and suggestions. Stay motivated, keep designing, and continue creating metal frame masterpieces that bring beauty, strength, and fast success to your life.